Hi everybody, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. I am so excited because my channel has reached 5,000 subscribers. This means a lot to me because it seems like it has taken forever to get those 5,000 subscribers. I thank you so much for being a subscriber, for being a viewer, and as a gift to all of you who have helped me reach that 5,000, I've got a special treat for you today. I'm gonna cook you a southern dish because of course you know I love to cook. Whenever I have a client coming in from out of town who's gonna spend the day with me, I love to cook a meal for them. If you've seen some of my videos, you know that I can really burn in the kitchen. What I'm gonna cook for you today is one of my favorites, and that is salmon burgers. If you love salmon, you love seafood, you are going to love my burgers. And when I say that these salmon burgers are delicious, they're quick and easy to make. There are not a lot of ingredients. So we're gonna do this recipe quick and easy. You're gonna love it. Believe me, these salmon burgers are absolutely delicious. We're gonna start out with a 15-ounce can of this wild-caught Alaskan salmon, and you're gonna pour the entire contents right in the bowl. And then you just separate the salmon really good. So you just want to cut this onion up nice. You don't want the pieces too big. I like for them to be smaller so they're just like meld right into the meat. Okay, that's good. Got them fine chopped up and I'll just put them right into the salmon. I just use my fork just to stir those onions in there. Just mix them right into the salmon. Then the next ingredient I'm going to put in is 1 large egg. Just fold it right into the salmon. Keep that mixture going. It's nice and juicy. And I had some oil that I had drained when I fried some chicken, and I'll just put a little bit in that, enough to coat the bottom of the pan real good, not excessive. And then put your stove on medium hot so that the frying pan gets nice and hot, but not too hot to scorch. The next thing I want to add is garlic powder. You just want to season it to your taste. I don't use an extreme amount, but that's good. And next I'm going to go in with garlic pepper, and the combination is really nice, not using a whole lot of that. And you can actually taste this as you're going along to make sure the seasonings are to your liking. I just take a little bit on my finger. That's good. And I can definitely use a little bit more of the garlic powder. Next, use a little bit of your favorite seasoning, salt, just a little bit. You don't want to get these too salty. And again, like I always do, mix it up and then just taste it and make sure that it's seasoned the way that you want. Here we go. My goodness, that's perfect. This is good already. Oh my goodness. I could put it on a cracker right now and eat it as is, but it's going to be so much better when I cook it. Okay, we got that. So we're almost down to 2 ingredients. Your next ingredient you want to use is chicken broth. You've already got this consistency like this, and you just want to go in and just pour a little bit just to keep that mixture nice and wet so that your salmon burgers will be succulent. Maybe just a little bit more. Again, judge it to your taste. I'm not really good on measuring cups and things like that. I just pretty much judge as I go, and I know a lot of you cook that way too. Okay, that's looking real good. Another secret ingredient to the deliciousness for these salmon burgers is buttermilk pancake mix. Yes, absolutely. Oh no, this is gonna make it taste really good. And I normally keep me a measuring cup inside this. This is 1/3 of a cup. And I'm just gonna sprinkle that in. Don't want to put too much in there, not even 1/3, just lightly sprinkle it to make the mixture pasty. You don't want too much flour because you don't want your salmon burgers to taste like flour. You want to taste the pure meat of it. There we go. Now this is perfect. See? It's like a nice paste. There. Yummy. And that's it. Those are the only ingredients you need for these salmon burgers. So now we're just waiting on the frying pan to get hot enough to drop these in. Okay, it's nice and hot. It's ready. And I've got this on medium high, not too hot. I'm just going to turn them. Oh yeah. Come on, little baby. And just let them sit like that for a few seconds before I sort of like flatten them a little bit, but not too much because I don't want to take the succulence out of the middle. Just pat them just a little bit so that everything can get brown around the edges, but that's about it. And then I got my heat on medium high, going closer to low, and I'm just going to let them cook about another 5 minutes. And they will be ready for me to eat. Or ready for you to eat, because you're going to love these. Don't they look yummy? Yum, yum. All right, my burgers are ready. And I'm just going to take each one of them and just lay them on a double layer of paper towels for just a little bit to take most of the oil out of it, but I still want that succulence in it. And how I like to eat them is on a bed of lettuce and tomato, and I just take that burger and just put it right on that. I've got my vegetable and my meat all in one, and I cannot wait to dig into this burger. Oh my goodness, just look at there. Look how tender and juicy that is. Finally! I'm just going to use, it's so tender, I'm just going to use my fork to dig right in, get a little bit of my tomato. Oh, I get a little bit of my tomato. Oh. This is so good. And for those of you who like your burger on a bun, get you some of these potato sandwich buns and put your burger up there, a little honey mustard dressing, and it is really good too. But I just happen to like to taste nothing but the meat. Thank you so much for joining me for this celebratory meal of my channel having reached 5,000 subscribers, and I could not have done it without you. I am so very thankful to all of my viewers and subscribers. And hey, if you have not already subscribed, please do. Tell others, like, share, and come back again when I'm doing one of my hair units and beauty makeovers. But in the meanwhile, I'm gonna enjoy these salmon burgers because they are so good. Try them, come back, and let me know in the comments how you like them. Bye, everybody. I'll see you next time.